If you have come to the UK and you are unable to leave as you would be in danger in your country of origin or residence, you may want to claim asylum in the UK. Claiming asylum is a difficult and lengthy process. There are many stages and there can be long delays. However, if your asylum claim is successful, you will be granted asylum in the UK and given refugee status. Refugee status is a form of international protection that is granted where the Home Office accept you satisfy the definition of a refugee. A grant of refugee status will allow you to live in the UK and receive legal protection. When should you claim asylum? You should claim asylum immediately on arrival in the UK or as soon as you know that you cannot return to your country of origin or country of residence if you are already in the UK. How to claim asylum? You can claim asylum immediately on entering the UK at the airport, train station, or when you reach the UK from the sea. You do this by telling an immigration official that you want to claim asylum. If you are already in the UK, for example, as a visitor or on a student visa, and it becomes clear that you cannot return to your country of origin or residence, you need to register your asylum claim by telephoning the Asylum Screening Unit on 0300 123 4193. What is asylum? Asylum is the name of the application and process to get refugee status and protection in the UK from persecution. Asylum is defined in the Refugee Convention as for someone who is unable or unwilling to return to their country of origin, owing to a well-founded fear of being persecuted for reasons of race, religion, nationality, membership of a particular social group or political opinion. To qualify for refugee status, you must also show that you cannot be protected by the state authorities in your country of origin or residence. Additionally, you must prove that you cannot live elsewhere in your country, even if you have never travelled or lived there before, to escape those that you fear. What is humanitarian protection? The Refugee Convention provides another form of protection called humanitarian protection. This type of protection is granted where there is serious and individual threat to a civilian's life or person by reason of indiscriminate violence in situations of internal armed conflict. If, for example, you are fleeing war or widespread violence that is not specific to you or your identity, you could be granted humanitarian protection. You do not need to make a separate claim for humanitarian protection, as this will automatically be considered as part of your asylum process. What is the process? After you have claimed asylum or registered an asylum claim, you will go through the following process. Screening interview. Asylum substantive interview. Asylum decision. Whilst these are the main steps in the asylum process, you may also receive questionnaires from the Home Office at certain points to gather more information from you. You may receive a preliminary information questionnaire, asylum claim questionnaire, or a dependent questionnaire. What are the possible outcomes? When the Home Office decides on your asylum claim, they will consider any and all information and evidence you have given during the asylum process. Possible outcomes include grant of refugee status, grant of humanitarian protection, grant of other leave to remain, refusal. If your asylum claim is refused, you may be able to appeal your decision. You will have a strict deadline, so it is important to seek advice and help immediately. Why choose Compass Immigration Law? The asylum process can be very long and stressful. Having a good and reputable asylum lawyer who will help you to understand the specific requirements and procedures involved will give you peace of mind. Our highly trained asylum experts have a thorough understanding of the asylum process. We can help you with your asylum claim by providing you with an honest opinion on the positives and negatives of your asylum case, advice on claiming asylum, the requirements and the process, interview guidance, help with sending evidence and corrections, requesting regular updates from the Home Office, challenging an asylum refusal decision. We will provide you with the most relevant and accurate advice by staying updated with the latest changes and industry trends. Our unwavering commitment lies in delivering individualized care to you and your application. Our team of asylum experts invest their time in understanding your circumstances and needs. This tailored approach empowers us to help you to put a strong asylum claim forward. For more information, get in touch using the details on screen.